Hello, my name is Kevin Sorrells, and I just finished acupuncture, and I've been coming here for about 2 years now, and I've had tinnitus really bad, the ringing in the ears, and it was up to about 11, and it's gone to about maybe 5 or 4, and it was ringing really bad, and now it's, instead of hearing large bells sound, now I'm hearing kind of a slight feedback, which has helped tremendously. So I'd like to thank Dr. Sai for helping relieve me of tinnitus.